Jackson Underworld, Michigan's biggest and scariest haunted house. In fact, it is also rated to be one of the United States' best, biggest, scariest haunted house. And that's where we're going today. Jackson Underworld, one of the craziest experiences you could ever have in a haunted house. 4 stories tall. This bad boy is gonna be huge. It's gonna be massive. I'm a vlogger. How you doing? Woo! Let me give you guys a little preview of what Jackson Underworld really looks like. Here we go. Quiet. Going with us today on this trip is my lovely girlfriend, KIRBY FRODGE, Abby Butts, sister, Sophie Nickmeyer.
She's a Visco girl.
She's a Visco
girl.
No,
I'm not.
And last but not least, BRYCE and Evan. Woo! My 2 twin brothers, Jackson Underworld. Good, how are you?
Good.
Good, good, good. We're here to go through the haunted house. We're vloggers, YouTubers, big time.
Oh, yeah.
High in the industry, yes sir.
Big time.
But we're here to go through this haunted house. All right, so what are we looking forward to in walking into this bad boy? I mean,
2 attractions.
2 attractions.
Psychovision 3D and Dark Haunt as well.
All right, so we're good?
Yep.
All right, handshake.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yep.
Hey, have a good one. Look at that clown! Oh my gosh. Should be an employee here.
I gotta put the camera down. No filming allowed. I'll see you in a little bit.
We're entering his mouth here in about 5 minutes. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling pumped.
He is feeling pumped. Abby, how you feeling?
I feel unstoppable.
She's feeling unstoppable. I'm feeling a little unstoppable myself. I'll knock someone out if they try touching me in there. All right, here we go. We are in action. In action. Quick interruption for you guys. We are going to give a big thanks to my mother for paying for all of our tickets today. 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Mom. All right, back to the video. Here we come. Okay. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. A little action here. That's pretty. Okay, creepy stairs number 2. Oh, dark room, dark room. Oh, wow.
I'll see you, buddy.
Oh, whoa, oh! Oh! Drop the camera. I think we're still in action. Are we done? All right, I guess that was the end of it.
You guys have a good night.
Yeah, you as well. Thank you. Overall experience of Jackson Underworld, I would give it a solid 4.5. I would not recommend it. It was not very scary. At least if you do, take a small group, because 7 of us was way too much. So in that case, this video is officially over, and I will see you guys on the next one. Here we go.